Dylan Joseph Lawrence, and I love trains. And these are my trains, right here. This is a track, and they go around. Like it's like an oval. This is a water block. So this right here is Edward. He's the number 2 engine, and he's very useful. He likes to help and share his friends. And when someone needs help, he goes helps. And he's the number 2. He has 3 little wheels and 2 little and five little wheels.
How about some of your other trains?
2 big wheels. And this is Thomas, the tank engine. He's the number 1 engine. I have 8 of these. And I love my engines. And sometimes they go on. And he's the number 1. He has stripes like Edward.
Who's the purple one?
Wait till we get there. And this is another Thomas. No, it doesn't work either. These 2 doesn't work, but these 2 do. So he's the number 1 engine also. He has 2 big wheels and two big wheels and 2 little wheels. And this is another Thomas. It works, and it's the number 1 engine too. He has a funnel, and watch it go around. Sorry, watch it go around. It's coming around and around again. It goes around and around. It comes back, and it stops, and it goes right back here. This is Thomas. He didn't work, and he has rocks. He has a special delivery, and look, he is the number 1 engine too. And watch him go around.
Hello, I'm Thomas.
Is your sound on? What?
I have to stop recording. It's not going to record anymore.
Why?
Oh, you can't record that for that long.
How do you just keep on recording? He stopped. Are you recording it? What's it will be over?
Very shortly.
So this is going. He's the number 4 engine, and he's long, and he has freak out. And this is Belle. She's 61 to 100, and this is Connor. He's the one of the best engines. This is Celtic, number 2991, and this is Caitlin. She's very nice, and she has passenger cars. And this is Flynn. He's the fire engine. He fixes them. This is Diesel 10. This is Claus. This is Toby. This is Toby. He's brown. This is Stanley. He's white. This is Charlie. He's purple. And this is Rosie. She has 2 cars, you see, and she's pink. And this is Diesel. He has a mine car. And this is Molly.